Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
Teachers, we all know as to why we are compelled to gather here in this playground. All of us know we are having our own duties. Am I right? Yes. We have to go to the school. We have to follow the norms given by the state government. And we have to follow it. We have to give teaching in the schools to our students. But why we are compelled to come here, together here? And as to why we are compelled to come out with this sit-in demonstration, we all know. Till today, the state government is reluctant to fulfill our demand. That is the enhancement of our salary. All of us know. Till today, the state government is. Till today, our issues are not addressed by the state government. Still, the state government is reluctant to fulfill our demands. Our demands are not met by the state government. So, I would like to give a big shout against the state government if they fail to fulfill our demands. I will shout no enhancement of salary. You have to shout it with a loud voice. No raise. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. With our agitation? Yes. Okay. Then, since the state government has failed to fulfill our demand, as I have told you, we are compelled to come out. We are compelled to come out with this demonstration, with this sit-in demonstration program. So, now it's already 9 days. Till today, we are not met with our demands. So we are planning. If the state government is still reluctant to fulfill our demands, we are ready to go to the New Delhi, and there we will conduct the mass agitation, sit-in demonstration there in Delhi. Are you ready, sir, teachers? Yes. Dear colleagues, madams, are you ready? Yes. We will go there and organize a big demonstration there in Delhi, and we will seek the intervention of our Prime Minister and the Union Education Minister. We all know that all the comparing to the salary. Am I right? Yes. Then is it not a violation of 39 article of Indian Constitution, which ensures that right to equal pay for the equal work? We teachers know that we have the same right to fight with the state governments for the sake of our salary enhancement. So I would like to request all the teachers to continue with our demonstration and to cooperate with the association. That's all. Thank you.